Welcome to all. I'm Surya. I'm working as assistant professor in Dr. F.N.S. Rajalakshmi College of Arts and Science in the Department of Computer Applications. Today, we are going to see about Boyce code normal form versus first normalization form. So, what is the difference between first normalization form and what is the different advantages we have in Boyce code normal form? So Boyce code normal form, it doesn't allow dependencies between attributes that belongs to candidate keys. BCNF is a refinement of the third normal form in which it drops the restrictions of a non-key attribute from the third normal form. Third normal form and BCNF are not same if the following conditions are true. The table has two or more candidate keys. At least two of the candidate keys are composed of more than one attribute. The keys are not disjoint. The composite candidate keys share some attributes. So here we can able to see the example scheme. So here city, street and zip code. So we have given. So key 1 city and street, it's a combination, first a combination, and then key 2 zip code and street, it is a combination. So in that two keys we have the same field street. So no non-key attribute, hence 3 normalization form. Next example 2. So here we are having movie title, movie ID, person name, role and payment. So in that key 1 as a key 1 we have taken movie title, person name, key 2 movie ID, person name. So both role and payment functionally depend on both candidate keys, thus 3 normalization form. So dependency between movie ID and movie title violates BCNF. So next we have given the consulting not in BCNF, it is not satisfy the BCNF normalization form. Next decomposition of BCNF. Place the two candidate primary keys in a separate entities. Place each of the remaining data items in one of the resulting entities according to its dependency and the primary key. So first convert to BCNF. So new scheme 1, scheme 2, loss of relation, and then alternate new scheme 1, alternate new scheme 2 we have given. Next, decomposition of loss of information. If decomposition does not cause any loss of information, it is called a lossless decomposition. So if a decomposition does not cause any dependencies to be lost, it is called a dependency preserving decomposition. So any table schema can be decomposed in a lossless way into a collection of smaller schemas that are in BCNF form. However, the dependency preservation is not guaranteed. Any table can be decomposed in a lossless way into third normal form that also preserves the dependencies. So next we can able to see that two examples for decomposition: old scheme, new scheme, and then new scheme, loss of relations, and then we got the movie ID, movie title, relationship back. So and then third example we have given old scheme, new scheme, new scheme. In that client, in 3 examples we have the same field client. So fourth normal form. Fourth normal form eliminates independent many-to-one relationship between columns. To be in fourth normal form, a relation must first be in Boyce code normal form. A given relation may not contain more than one multi-valued attribute. So fourth normalization form. So primary key, movie name, screen, city, and then genre. All columns are a part of the only candidate key, hence BCNF. Many movies can have the same genre. Many cities can have the same movie. Violates fourth normalization form. Fourth normalization form, we have given 2 examples here. Manager and then child and employee names we have given. So each manager can have more than one child. Each manager can supervise more than one employee. So that the fourth normalization form violated. So here not in fourth normalization form they have given primary key, employee, skill and language. Each employee can speak multiple languages. For example, so in regional languages some people they speak and then additional language they can able to know. So multiple languages they can able to speak. Each employee can have multiple skills. Thus violates fourth normalization form. And the fourth normalization form, decomposition, move the two multi-valued relations to separate tables, identify a primary key for each of the new entity. So this is the decomposition of fourth normalization form. So and then this is the example of fourth normalization form. And the fifth normalization form is satisfied when all the tables are broken into as many tables as possible in order to avoid redundancy. If we are separating all the tables, all the fields, it should be avoid a redundancy. Then we can call it as a fifth normalization form satisfied. Once it is in the fifth normal form, it cannot be broken into small relations without changing the facts or the meaning. The relation isn't decay enough when there can be no insertion or deletion anomalies in the database. Domain key normal. So in this video we have seen about voice code normalization form and then fourth normalization form and then fifth normalization form. Thank you.